I'm super excited that you clicked on this video because today I'm going to be showing you how to make pan-fried tilapia. It's so easy and very yummy. So let's get to it. So first off, I have 2 pieces of tilapia fillet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my paper towel to dry up my fillets on both sides. What you have to do is you have to make sure that your fish fillet is dried on both sides. So now I'm going to add my cooking oil. Coat your fish with the oil on both sides. So now I'm going to add my spices into the fish. So here I have garlic powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So you're going to rub on both sides of the fish. So you just rub. 1 teaspoon paprika and 1/2 teaspoon of basil. So what you'll do, you'll also rub it. Salt, add some cooking oil to your pan. Then you make sure that your oil is hot. Add your fish fillet. Cook your fish fillet for 2 minutes on each side on medium-high. The combination of the seasoning makes the fish taste so good. So it's been 2 minutes. So now I'm going to flip my fish. For my rice, I'm going to be using 1 onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 carrot, it is a medium one, and cucumber. So first off, I'm going to chop my onion. Four cloves of garlic. If you have a problem peeling your garlic, this is the best way. You just mash with the knife and voila! Carrots, I'm going to use half of it. It's nice to add vegetables to your stir fry. Actually, that is a very nice way of making kids or children eat vegetables. Move to the stove top and add some cooking oil to your pan. onions, stir and cook until soft. To my onions, I'm going to be adding my carrots. I'm adding my carrots because they usually take long while cooking. After about 1 minute, add your garlic. Add salt and pepper. So I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. If you don't like black pepper, it's still optional. You can skip that part. Stir. Add zucchini. The moment you add the zucchini, you add your refrigerated rice. Stir and mix until well combined. Let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm loving how my rice is looking. Yum! My rice is ready. So now I'm ready to serve. So I'm going to start with my fried rice. I love how my plate is looking. So I have my vegetable rice, it's looking so yummy, and my fish fillet. Let me tell you, the aroma in this kitchen is just wonderful. And I hope to see you on my next video because my recipes are always simple and very yummy. Ciao!